first time in a very long time.
Yep.
At Aquatica in Orlando.
Which is SeaWorld Water Park.
Yeah. We have Aquatica on our passes because we have the Busch Gardens, you know, Premier
membership.
Yeah. We have the passes, but we just haven't taken the time to come here in a long time.
We're just always so busy whenever we come down here that we planned on coming here for about 3 years, but it's always been pushed to the side.
Yep. So this time we made it. We're gonna spend a few hours here today. I'm going to, we'll switch over to the GoPro, take the GoPro on the slides that we can.
Yeah.
We'll just kind of show you around the park. So while we do that, you guys be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Alright y'all, so I'm going to take you just for a quick walk around the park and hit the highlights. And yeah, so let's just take a quick walk around. It's a beautiful water park and a beautiful day here. Oop, but it's windy in Orlando. all the way back around to the wave pool here that is closed. The other one on the other side of that island right there is open. But that is pretty much the Aquatica water park. And as you can tell, there's plenty of room right now. We're here during the week, not crowded at all. So very, very nice day. Alright guys, we are getting ready to ride. I guess this is called the Karekare Curl. We're going to check it out. Heading up the steps now. There's Tyler hauling the float up.
You guys ready?
We're ready.
Alright, let's do it.
Woo, here we go.
You want to go backwards or you want to
Let me go forward.
forward?
Yeah.
I
Let me go backwards. I will.
Yeah, try to get the good angle on it.
Yep.
That's good? Yep. Alright, see ya.
Alright, thank you. Here we go. Woo! Okay, so what'd you think of the Karekare Curl?
It's pretty much Colossal Curl.
A very shortened version of Colossal Curl. Yeah. It was pretty short, but it was fun. All right, so let's take off and see what else we can find. All right, so we're not gonna get a Maka Raka today because it's closed. We are here during the week, so it's pretty empty right now. Okay, so we're gonna try, how would you say this? Wanu way? Alright guys, so there's actually 4 different slides up here. Tyler just went down the yellow one. Here we go, down the green one. Woo, we're in the dark. Woo! Here we go, y'all. Alright, there's 4 different slides up there for the Wanu way. And yeah, it was lots of fun. Alright, we're gonna try out the Tassie Twister. We're also right here where the Loggerhead Lane, which looks like the entrance to the Lazy River. Alright y'all, so we were a little lost to find the entrance to these slides. But come to find out, you actually have to get in the Loggerhead Lane here, which is the Lazy River, grab a float, and go to the entrance of the slide.
Okay, we are on Cassie Twist. How many times can we go around? That's 2. 3. We're gonna make 4. We're gonna make 4. We're gonna make 4. 4. We're going in. Going in. Okay, so there's the hole you go in. We're going. There we go. Woo! That was the blue and yellow side. And we're gonna go back up and ride the green side.
If you want to go again, he said the best thing to do is do the one on the right. You'll come out right here at the Lazy River and
then go back up. Okay, we're on the green side this time. How many times? Okay, 1, 2, made it 5 times. Six times. How did you like both?
I don't know. I think I kind of like this one better. The first one we were on, I guess it was the blue. If you get up to the top, it's the blue one.
Yeah.
I think I like that one. I think I like that one better.
I have to go with the green.
You like the green?
I thought the green had a little more speed entering. Where's all your fishies? Okay, so here's your dolphin. This is where, okay, so this tube, okay, somebody just went. So you ride through the dolphin exhibit. Okay, there's one. Here you go. I don't know if you can see them, but there they are. Kind of hard to see, the glass is a little. There they are.
We're getting ready to ride Ray Rush. This is something brand new. Since the last time we've been to Aquatica?
Yeah, brand new to us.
Brand new to us. What did you think of the Ray Rush?
I think I got a new favorite water ride.
You think so? That was pretty cool. I know the video was probably shaky. I was trying to hold still the best I could, but for Ray Rush.
2 thumbs up. Note whenever you come, you gotta have 3 or 4 people.
Yeah, you gotta have at least 3 people. So we had to, there was another couple in front of us,
yeah.
2 ladies that we ended up riding with because we didn't read the sign.
No.
See, I'm sure it said you had to have 3 people, but we didn't read it, and obviously they didn't either.
Yeah.
So we all 4 rode together, had a great time.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, here's the racer himself. Fixing to race. Fixing to race. He's gonna try it out. I guess this is called the Tomata. The Tomata timer. And it is these racers, which Tyler absolutely loves, these mat racers. Let's see if I can catch Tyler this time. He said he's coming down a yellow one. He's been gone a little while. He went up one time. I totally missed him because I was, doing that taking photos thing. So, let's see if we can catch him. Oh, there he comes. So was that fun?
Yeah. That one beats you up.
Except for the walk up.
That one beats you up.
Oh, does it?
What is that?
Okay. All right, guys. Well, that about does it for our day here at Aquatica in Orlando. It's been a beautiful day. The park is not crowded. We were here during the week. It's on a Thursday in October, and it's definitely not crowded at all. So we had a great time.
Had a great time.
And definitely didn't have to wait in lines
there
or
wasn't
anything
really
like that.
very many lines at all.
And we definitely suggest coming
During the week.
because we've all, I mean, almost you could say had the place to ourselves almost. So anyway, great day. Thanks for joining us. Hopefully we'll be able to show you some of the slides with the GoPro that we rode and the walk around the park. So thanks for joining us, and he hit me in the face. We will see you the next time, guys. Bye.